Creating a contact group. Now, occasionally you will have hundreds, maybe thousands of contacts, and there may be times when you need to send to 20 or 30 people. So when you create the mail, you're having to select them individually. Let's create a contact group and make that easier. Now we are here with the contacts ahead of us, and here on the ribbon, new contact group, and the name we're going to give it is just Project Alpha Contacts. And then we're going to draw into this group the members. So I'm going to go to my Outlook contacts, and I just have one person in my personal contacts for this group. And then we're going to go to the address book, and there may be several people in here that you want in the group. Now they're all in the group, and you can always come back here, select one, and remove the member. Now we're going to save that. And now let's see it in action. I'm going to go to my mail, and I'm going to create a new email message. And instead of typing in here the individuals or going to and picking them individually, which is what I would normally do, I can go to my contacts, I can select my group, and I can then compose. Now you will notice when a contact group is created, it does make it bold and underlined, so there is a visual cue that it is a contact group, and I also have the plus sign. Now when I go and hit the plus sign, I will get a message about expanding, and it says if I expand the group, in other words, if I want to see the individual members, I cannot then recollapse it. So these are all of the people that are in the group, and if I chose not to send this to one of them, I can just go in here and delete them. Now, this is a really nice way of organizing your contacts and ultimately saving time when you're sending email messages.